you. It's a beautiful morning. 6 a.m. Jack is very much awake. This little monkey is very much awake.
We're just leaving our anchorage for the night. It was Hammock Bay, which is part of a military kind of area. I think the Marines are in there. So we got to see some landing craft moving this morning. And then we're heading off into the sun this morning. Supposed to be heading north, but the sun doesn't rise in the north, so we're going this way. Coming into Beaufort, North Carolina. Tricky little spot we had to maneuver through there, and lots of current. We are heading just around the corner that way. Find a spot to anchor. We just came ashore in Beaufort, North Carolina. I'm gonna go for a walk around, see if we can find something to eat for dinner. Jazzy's in charge. She doesn't know where we're going either. Oh, there she is. This is our anchorage in Beaufort, North Carolina. Nice and still night last night. Quite a few boats left this morning. And we're going to go check out this island on this side as well. There's supposed to be wild horses on there. Go for a little bit of a walk and stretch our legs. But first order of business is go check out somewhere for breakfast. Let's go see. 1772, this one. We're just walking around Beaufort, and as you can see, all of them have got that little sign on there with their date. That one's from 1779, 1918 across the street there. It's really cool to see all how they're keeping it, all the old buildings. This one's 1897. Very nice little town. Very walking friendly. You can walk everywhere pretty easily. Sidewalks. Again, there's no supermarket in walking distance. There is one about half an hour's walk, but that's a bit far to carry cold goods back. But there are a few nice little restaurants, nice little southern charm, whatever it is, even though we're in North Carolina. Nice little place. Still south. Just walking around, minding our business, chatting to the pirates. Not getting too close because they're dangerous. So Jazzy wanted us to take a nature walk through the muddy swamp. We're off to see horses.
This is
number one thing you have to do here.
We can see horses in the distance there. You might not be able to see them, but in the meantime, we're just slipping through the mud.
There are horses though.
Sorry, I just stepped on a cactus. But these are the horses we came to see. It was worth it walking through the mud. Now we just need to get past them. The trail is right there, but it says do not approach them, stay well clear. So we're gonna have to go through the bushes. The little cactuses hidden in the grass. You can see them there. There's one. Okay, we try to go around, but there's cactuses everywhere. So, let's see if this horse will move for us. Yo, horsey, can you go play with your friend over there? Horsey! Okay, so Micah, me and Jack made it past the horses, but as we went past, they were very intrigued by Jack and came over, so we made a hasty escape, but Jozzy's still stuck on the other side of them there.